Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to specially invite you to an event that is happening on the 20th.
Dun, 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 dun.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite you for this event. It's a relationship seminar happening on the 28th of February 2021. Okay, we have titled this Finding the One You've Always Dreamed About. Can we say that together?
Finding the one you've always dreamed about.
I've said this before.
Yeah.
I have married the woman of my dreams. Okay? And sorry, that's where you're supposed to say you married the man of your dreams.
Oh, sorry. I have married the man of my dreams.
She has married the man of her dreams. And we want you to also have the same.
Yeah.
It is possible to marry the man of your dreams to get the woman of your dreams. So we want to actually teach you some practical steps that you can take in order to achieve that. If this is something that interests you, make sure you register. Okay, the early bird tickets are going to be stopping or ending on the 15th of February.
Yeah.
And afterwards, it's going to go to a standard price.
Ojoojúmọ́ ni màá ṣọpẹ́ fún ìfẹ́ tèmi. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi olólùfẹ́ mi ọpẹ́ ló tèmi. Diamond girl, African baby, ọpẹ́ ló tèmi.
Hi guys.
Hey people.
Welcome back to our channel.
My name is Ayo.
And I am Ope.
And together we are called
Ayope.
We are so glad to be here.
Yep.
Back. You're welcome back, okay? We're
For the
giving you a
first time.
back-to-back. If you're here for the first time, we say welcome back for the first time. And what we want you to do right now is subscribe to our channel, okay? Because we know that this channel will bless you. Our content will bless you. And you don't want to miss it.
Come on.
So subscribe and turn on notifications.
Now.
So you can be the first to watch our next video and the next video and all the videos we're going to be dropping. Okay, so subscribe. This channel will bless you. Like this video as well. Okay, we always encourage our subscribers to like our videos because it actually helps us. Okay, so like this video, watch the ads. We did say it in one of our first videos this year, so make sure you watch the ads because that helps us as well. That being said, we are happy to be here. We're going to be discussing something very important. Okay, we've been getting a lot of questions and some people have asked us to weigh in on this
And tagging us in posts.
and that's what we're gonna do.
Today we are discussing the hot topic of whether a woman should propose to a man. By propose, I mean propose marriage.
To propose marriage. Maybe, now that you talked about by propose, you say to propose marriage. I'm even now thinking that
I just thought something as well. What were you gonna say?
should the woman even be asking the guy out in the first place? So maybe a guy and a girl talking. So maybe we can even touch on that as well. So, and we'll also talk about the proposal for the marriage, okay?
That would be a good one. Okay.
This is actually a series. There's going to be the part 2 where we're going to dive into, you know, how the proposal should be, when to accept or reject a proposal and all that. Okay, but in this one, we just want to introduce and just talk about this topic or this issue of a woman proposing or not, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay, so where do we want to start from with this? You said you were thinking about something.
Yeah, but it wasn't that.
No.
Obviously, we're not in sync.
We are in sync.
We are
with Jesus.
amen. But yeah, no, it's just a point that I was gonna, but I'll raise it later.
A point.
Yes, a
Raise it
point.
later.
Oh yeah.
Okay, but I'm gonna just speak from a man's perspective.
Points of and I'll speak from a
Okay,
woman.
I cannot speak for all men, but I believe I can speak for most men, having had this conversation with men, okay, and also having done a little poll as well, just within my own small community to see what men think, whether single or married men, what do they think about this, okay? And the general, what I have noted, okay, from statistics, is that men like to pursue, okay? So when I look at myself, I like to pursue a woman, okay? There's a sense of, okay, I pursued you. I like to pursue my wife,
Better.
not any woman, okay? But in those days, I pursued other women. But we bless God, I'm only pursuing one woman now, praise God.
Hallelujah.
So, men want to pursue, okay? There is a sense of fulfillment that a man gets when he pursues a woman and he gets her. There is also a sense of fulfillment when he is pursuing her and she's playing hard to get or running away. He keeps on pursuing her. okay, every man has their breaking point. So there's a time where the guy will now think, okay, I'm going to stop pursuing because she's not coming. She's on a long thing. She's not reciprocating. So the man wants to pursue the woman, okay, because that's where he feels like I have worked for this. Okay, men don't really like having anything free. So that's why a man likes to actually work. Men take their work, office work, career, business very seriously. Okay, so I'm going to work for this so that I can enjoy this and know that I deserve this when I get it. So that's generally speaking now, that is how men are wired. Men like to pursue.
I totally agree.
And I guess, okay, I'll let you speak, but I wanted to ask a question. Do women like being pursued?
Okay. So and this feeds into my answer as well that I was going to say. I feel like women, we have definitely been, should the word be conditioned, socially conditioned to believe that we should be chased. We are the prized possession and we don't go after anybody, they come after us. But society has changed and now told women that, you know, shoot your shots.
Shoot your shot.
It's anybody's game. Now let me tell you something. When we actually said that word aloud, proposal of marriage, it made me actually think that as women, do we not subconsciously propose marriage to men anyway? We're always told, you know, that's the end goal. That's what we want. That's what we should go to do. So when a woman is now, even when a woman starts a relationship and she's like, to be honest, I don't want to be in a relationship for more than 1 year. I don't want to be engaged for more than 1 year. Are we not proposing marriage to men? Are we not proposing the idea of marriage to men already?
Very good point.
Just because we're not getting down on one knee, is it not proposing the idea to marriage to men already?
So if we have to answer the question now, right? So should a woman propose to her man? We can say yes and no. Okay, because from the perspective of, listen, I have a plan, right? And, you know, I have a vision for my life, okay? And that is why when a woman gets into a relationship with a man, you know, you kind of set your boundaries, you talk about your vision, you talk about your goals, you talk about your plans. Okay, I want to get married at this time. This is what I have set for myself. I want to, you know, have children at so time, or I want to take a break from work at this time and do all of that. So women and men have this conversation, okay, when you get into a relationship and you're now committed and very serious, okay? Now, as you rightly said, okay, there is nothing wrong in a woman actually telling a man, based on my plan, right, I am not in for any long 7-year, 5-year relationship.
I'm not a chicken and chips girl.
I am not a chicken and chips girl, really. Like, literally, after my last relationship, I said to myself that I am not doing any funny relationship. I'm not a one-night stand. I am not a fling. Okay, I'm here for a serious relationship. Okay, and I'm believing God that, you know, the next relationship, I have prayed to God that the next relationship I get to will lead to marriage. Okay, now, if you're not that guy, right? If you're not that guy looking for who to get married to, looking to settle down and get married, then I am not for you. So when a woman is saying that, it's like she's proposing marriage, because she's saying that, listen, I don't want to be with you unless if you are not interested in getting married.
That's it.
In the next 1 year or 2 years, whatever her timeline is, which is absolutely fine. The thing is that some women are actually scared to have that conversation.
No, better to have that conversation and know where you start. See, this life that we're living, there's not many, we don't have years and years like we think like that. So to avoid time wasters, there's nothing wrong with saying your, would you say boundaries or what you want? What you want, yeah.
It is what you want.
Yeah.
And I keep saying this, like guys don't waste time. Let me tell you something. Guys know what they want. Okay?
I agree.
When a guy meets a girl and he knows that, listen, I just want to sleep with this one.
He knows it.
And the guy will tell you that, listen, I am not down for a relationship. I just want to, let us just understand ourselves. That's what guys say. Like, literally, let us just have an understanding. Friends with benefits. You have what I like. I have what you need. We can help each other. So the guy tells the girl, let us just help each other.
Let's help ourselves.
When he meets the one that he really likes, he tells her, listen, I really like you. I really love you. Okay, I'm seeing a future with you. Okay, and you know, he's very straight to the point.
Intentional.
And very intentional about what he wants. There's some guys that say, listen, I like you so much, but I cannot get married to you. Guys have told some girls this, and some girls have made the decision that, okay, this guy does not want to get married to me, but let me still just stay with him, hoping that he changes his mind. And most times he does not change his mind. They end up being heartbroken.
Yeah.
Okay, let me go back to this topic of the proposal now. So it is okay to state what you want, and by stating what you want, you are in somewhat or some way actually proposing marriage. Okay, so if we now want to talk about the kneeling and the asking and all of that, that is now another conversation that we need to now dive into. Because who started this kneeling and proposing? Is it not the Western culture?
Yeah, because I don't recall it being in the Bible. I don't recall it. I don't know if it was a Nigerian thing back in the day. I don't think even an African thing.
Yeah, this whole proposal and women now doing the proposal thing.
Wait, are you talking about men proposing or women?
No, I'm even talking about proposal generally.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
About, getting on one knee and actually getting a ring and doing all of that. Like, that is the, what's it called? What's the word called? That is like the activity around the proposal. What I believe in is that if two people are to get married, right, they should already have had conversations about marriage.
Like, it shouldn't be random. It shouldn't be shocked. Even all this that we do. Oh my God! Oh your God! You knew. You knew. We all know that marriage is coming. So all this.
Oh my God! I wasn't expecting it.
I wasn't expecting
like,
it.
if you're not expecting it, I'm shocked that you're not expecting a proposal. Because as of the time I proposed to you, for example, you did not know the day I was going to propose.
I didn't, but I was expecting
But you knew that I was going to propose.
Exactly.
We had conversations about marriage.
Have I even told the story about it?
Not really.
You guys go and check on our Instagram. I think I did.
Okay, yeah, we put that post.
We put that post on our Instagram.
So go and check it out, right? So, as you rightly said, so the proposal and the kneeling down is all activity. The actual proposal should already have happened. Because you should already have been having the conversations about a future together.
Yes.
Now, where you feel like, oh my God, I'm shocked, I was not expecting it, then I'm even worried that you were not expecting the proposal. And I don't believe any man should be proposing to a woman if she was not really expecting it.
Oh my God.
Let alone a woman proposing to a man. Now, let us now come to this activity. So, if you've already been having that conversation, right, about about marriage, okay, everybody knows where they stand. We know that we are going to get married, okay?
Yeah.
Now, as I said, as a woman, it is okay to let the guy know that, listen, this is the timeline. Now, what happens, or the argument is that when the guy does not now bring it, okay, so the guy is not forthcoming, is taking time to actually now do the activity, then there's an argument that the woman should now or can now propose to the man and say, here is a ring I got you, and because you are wasting time and you have not married me or proposed to marry me, or because we have been dating for so long now and I'm not sure where this thing is going, I want to propose to you, hoping that you say yes. And if you say no, at least I know where I stand. So, can we just talk about that for the next 5 minutes? So, what are your thoughts about the woman actually now going, you might not even be going on one knee, but the woman actually buying a ring and saying, listen, will you marry me? Asking the question, I want you to marry me. Will you marry me? And all that. What do we think?
I think, like, for most parts, for me personally, I cannot. I can't do it, and I can't. I'm sorry, because I feel like when a guy is asking you to marry him, he is indicating that he is ready. He's ready to take on that responsibility of family, of marriage, of fatherhood, of being a husband, because it's actually a responsibility.
Absolutely.
And not every man can live up to it, and it's okay. If you can't, then you stay single, and you know that you are just responsible for yourself. But when a man is saying, when a man is proposing to you, he's proposing a future with you, and it's for you to now accept that I see that our future aligns together, and we can go on this journey together. I don't think it's for a woman to propose a future with a man. And when a woman says that, he's taking too long, he ain't ready, sis.
Good.
He ain't ready. And I just think of it like, I don't know if this is it's a good example, but you know, like when in the UK, there's these houses, new build houses. You literally buy the house off plan, and they will tell you that, okay, today is so and so date. It will be ready in 8 months. 8 months comes and it's not ready. It's half done. Do you say, I'm going to move into that house, even though it's half done? No! You wait for it to get cooked. You wait for the developer to say, this house is now ready. There's a roof, there's doors, there's windows, and it's now ready to live in.
For you to now move in. So from your analogy, so the man is like the developer, okay, and the woman is like the person that is buying the house to move into.
Because she's buying into that vision.
So if the developer is not ready, then the homeowner who wants to go and get a mortgage cannot move into a house that is not yet ready.
It's not conducive.
It's not yet conducive for that. I think that's actually a good one. Okay, now let us even look at it from a. And by the way, there might be many reasons. That's why I said this proposal thing is going to be in a series. Okay, we're going to talk about that because there's many reasons why a man may not be ready. Okay, or there's many reasons why a man may not have proposed. So we'll talk about that in a separate video. Let us just focus on this woman proposing here, right? So let us look at it from a biblical standpoint. The Bible makes us to understand that the man is the head, okay, and the man takes on the leadership position of the house, not because the man is better than the woman, but that is just the structure that God has given us. Okay, so when a man is ready, okay, the Bible says the man shall leave his father and his mother. And then cleave to his wife. Okay, so when a man is ready to take on the responsibility, as you said, then he goes to tell the wife that, listen, I have left my father and my mother, and I am now ready to bring you in and be responsible for you. Yeah, I'm ready to now be the head, okay, of this new family that I'm starting. So when a woman is the one proposing, it seems like the woman is saying that, okay, I am the one starting a family. Do you want to join me in my family where I am the head? Okay, but the Bible makes it clear that the man is the head. So it is the man that goes out to start a family. The woman does not start a family. So when the man has not asked you to come to start this new family with me, I don't believe that the woman should be starting a family or asking the man to start a family, because that is not her place. God has made it clear that this is the place of a man. Okay, so Adam met Eve, okay, and Adam now said, I call you wife. Eve did not say, I call you husband. Very important. So Eve did not say, that's my husband. No, Adam was the one that recognized Eve as a wife, okay, based on the positioning. From a biblical point, the man is the one starting the new family. The man is the one proposing to say, I want to marry you so that we can start a new family together, where I am the head of this new family and Christ is the head of all of us. It's as simple as that.
And I believe as well that I don't care if you're the nicest man, the most gentle man on this earth. I believe that when it all boils down to it, you will hear, are you not the one that proposed to me?
Thank you.
Are you not the one that forced me into this marriage? I didn't want to marry. Are you not the one that made me stay here? And that's what it's. What's that word in Yoruba? Is it finish?
Arifi.
Oh God, people are gonna finish it. People are gonna finish us, but yeah.
But you guys get the gist. So let us be careful, right? Because a lot of people are saying, it's 2021. We are now in a new age. So yes, by all means, if the man is not proposing, you can propose.
Baby, I just had a vision of, the Nigerian engagement. Imagine if now the man is now walking and he's the one swinging the gilly.
Because after all, he's the one that's coming. You're the one coming to marry me. I didn't come to marry you. So it's the woman that will carry the husband. It will no longer be Igbeyawo. It will be Igbeoko. It will now be Igbeoko. So, and that's what it is. So the reason why it's Igbeyawo is because it's the man that carries the woman and says, I am taking you home. But when the woman is proposing, then it's Igbeoko. So that means the woman should now come and carry the man.
Or
and
go
that
to
means
the man's family.
The woman should now carry the responsibility of the house. That means the woman should be the provider. That means the woman should be the protector.
Why did they do your neck?
That's what that's what it is to me. So let us be careful,
Let's
right?
be guided.
Let's
People,
be guided.
Let's be guided.
Like it's 2021 years, women
Let's
can
be
propose because if a man can do it, hey, this one we should not be sexist, we should not be feminism, feminist, this one. And I'm all for feminism and all of that, but let us just be careful with what we're doing. Okay, let us be careful because there is a way that things should be. Okay? Don't go and embarrass yourself. I'm serious. It is actually embarrassing when and we've seen the
videos. Oh my God.
Woman proposed to man say, excuse me. No, the guy. Remember the guy said, stop this. You're embarrassing yourself. Because the woman was saying, I want to marry. The guy said, stop this. You are embarrassed. And she even now did it in public again.
Oh God.
I am embarrassed. So, and the man is not in any way better than the woman. Don't get it twisted. That's not what we're saying. But by the time a woman is proposing, it does not look good on you. It does not look good on you, okay? And we've given you our perspective from a biblical standpoint and from also the social standpoint, okay? So just have small sense, be patient, okay? Because that's what it is, because sometimes you run out of patience. And I feel like what I'll say to a woman who you feel like this man is wasting time and is not proposing, right? Have that conversation. What is happening?
Yeah.
Okay, and when the man now tells you that, listen, I am not ready, then you now should make a decision whether or not
yourself,
you want to wait for him.
Exactly.
Or you want to move.
Yeah.
It's as simple as that. Like, listen,
Yeah.
I don't want to waste my time, okay? I don't have time to waste, okay? I like you and I really hope for this to move on, but I feel like now
we're not aligned.
Exactly.
On this particular thing. And that's okay. It will hurt. It will hurt. You might have wasted a couple of years, but you know what? It's better than to force it, because really and truly the man doesn't want it, and you can't force anyone to do anything.
Absolutely. And that's it, because when you're doing that, you're actually now forcing it, and you don't want to be in a relationship, let alone a marriage that is forced. And that's why I have a problem with the lady or the girl asking the guy out from a dating perspective, okay? Because listen, if the guy wants you, he would act, and it's the same thing. So we are friends. I want to take it to the next level. I would ask you out to be my girlfriend. I would ask you to be in an exclusive relationship with me, because I am taking the lead on that. Now, the excuse that some ladies give as well is that, okay, he's a little shy, so let me help him. Listen, let me tell you this very carefully, okay? And you can quote me anywhere. Even if the guy is shy, right? He still knows what he wants. Now, he might be shy and he might not be able to, express himself and tell you how much he loves you and everything, but he knows that he wants to marry you.
He can write now.
You cannot say, because he's shy, let me help him.
Yeah.
Or because he's timid, let me actually take the lead. No. No matter whether it's introvert, extrovert, whether he's shy or not shy.
He knows what he wants.
He knows what he wants. And if he wants you, he will propose to you. If he wants you, he will ask you out. So don't come meet a guy and say, oh, we have been friends now. I think I like you. I think we should take it to the next level. Please don't do that to yourself, because the guy will just look at you like, sorry, I was not thinking that. Or like, like your dreams, girl. Like, and we've seen and heard too many stories. Okay, so save yourself the heartbreak, save yourself, the hurt or the embarrassment, the disappointment, and as we said, have that conversation and make the decision. Okay, but you cannot now try to force him when he's not ready. So to answer the question, should a woman propose to a man? As we said,
in my humble opinion, no.
So the woman shouldn't propose, and I concur with my wife, because we are one.
Yeah, but we'd actually love to know your thoughts here, guys, because obviously we are different human beings from different walks of life, and the whole point of this channel is we'd love to hear your thoughts as well. Please don't fight.
No fights.
No fights. It's not just
channel
talk.
is just good vibes.
Just good vibes.
So don't comment and to be honest, if you come to the channel and start saying rubbish and are being malicious with your comment, make some comments, like, put your points down, okay? Make sense. You don't have to be rude to anyone, and you definitely shouldn't be rude to us, because we would delete your comments. Do you understand that?
And
block you. Oh, do they block on YouTube?
They block on YouTube.
Okay, but we'll block you on Instagram.
We'll find you on Instagram, we'll block you.
So, but in all seriousness, feel free to leave some comments. Say your
Let's
perspective
discuss,
about why you feel, we're wrong, or why you feel, we're not correct. And that is absolutely fine. We don't know it all. So give us some reasons why you feel the woman should propose if you don't support with our
I'd
view.
actually love to.
And if you support our view that the woman shouldn't propose, also air your opinions in the comments. Let us know what you guys think, okay?
True.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are certified marriage and relationship coaches. By the grace of God, we have been married for 7 beautiful years. I'm looking for another word to use apart from beautiful and amazing. What else can we say? 7 glorious years.
I don't want to propose it to you. It has to come from your heart.
7 fantastic years, 7 glorious years, 7 blessed years. And the Lord has blessed us with 2 beautiful children. We are happily married. I'm telling you, we are not faking it. We are growing every day. We love each other. So we're here to just encourage happy relationships, to help you win in your relationship. To make you see that, listen, it is possible because we have it, you can have it as well. And you can even have it better. And that's the reason why we do what we do. If this is something that interests you, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can watch all of our videos. We try to drop these videos every week. Sometimes we even drop twice a week on a good week.
Right?
Okay. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day. Okay, enjoy yourself.
Hello, baby.
Just make sure you don't do anything.
Today's your Valentine.
Just make sure you don't do any naughty things, okay? Make sure you're a good girl during the season. Make sure you're a good guy during the season, okay? Maybe we should do a video about Valentine's, actually. We'll think about it. And maybe we'll show you what we're going to do on our Valentine's. I don't know what we're going to do because it's lockdown. But maybe we'll think about something and we'll probably share with you. Okay, let us welcome our new subscribers, okay, to our channel. Let us just tell them how much we love them so that they can stay. Let us also tell them that, listen, we also sing very well, okay, and we can actually sing. And I think that's something that we need to actually say. We can sing, and that's
We can.
So if you want to hear some good music or some singing, make sure
you guys need to actually go back to our old videos. We basically used to do sing-alongs.
Sing-alongs. It's because we've not been driving. We've not done any sing-along for a year now.
Oh, Corona, you have to go.
It will not be better for Corona.
Ah, man, Corona has to go.
Jesus.
Okay,
let us sing our welcome song so that we can go home. There's one nice jollof that's waiting for me downstairs right now. And I'm smelling the jollof. Oh my God. I thank God for my wife. Ooh. And this is what we want. So that you can be thanking God for your wife every day.
Me too. I thank God for my husband. Because he offered to do the plantain.
Oh yeah, I'm going to be doing the plantain. But I don't mind. But that jollof is smelling so nice now. And I just want to go and eat right now.
Chop, chop.
So let us sing our welcome song to welcome our new subscribers. 5, 6, 7. We're glad you came. We welcome you. We hope you learn.
Baby, that was a bit off key.
How was that off key?
Oh, are we feeling pressured because we told them that we can't sing?
How was that off key?
It was off key.
No, I switched from treble to alto.
Oh, shit, dear. I think even me, I was off key. Wait.
Okay, you were off key. Then speak for yourself.
Okay,
we don't do off key.
We're one though. We're one.
We don't do off key.
We are one.
We are family.
Hey, we are one. Okay, no. Come on.
We are.
Come on, baby.
5, 6, 7. We're glad you came. We welcome you. We hope you learn a thing or two as you join us on this journey through marriage, faith, and life. We're glad you came. We welcome you. We hope you learn a thing or two as you join us on this journey through marriage, faith, and life. So marriage, faith, and life say. Marriage, faith, and life. Marriage, faith, and life say. Marriage, faith, and life. Marriage, faith, and life say. Marriage, faith, and life. We welcome you. God bless you. We shall see you in the next video.
Bye.